Hello, students. As you know, classes will resume in an online format on April 6th, and you might find that you need help with your math homework. Since we are trying to leave a minimal physical footprint on campus, the Math Learning Center has been converted to a virtual learning space. In this video, I will be showing you how to access this virtual learning space and connect with the tutor at the time that you need it. To begin, you will click on the 9 dots on the right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the tab titled Classroom, and then click on it. It looks like this. Please ensure that when you are doing so, you are in your Eagle email account. Once you've clicked on Classroom, click on the cross in the right-hand corner. A Join Class tab should pop up. Enter the code OFPGQ6F. and click Join. When you have joined the class once, you will never need to input the code again because you are in the class. If you entered the code and were unable to join, check and make sure that you are in your Eagle email account by scrolling over the icon in the right-hand corner. If you need to connect with a tutor now and really need help with that quiz, click on Classwork. From there, click on Google Calendar. Let's imagine that it's April 6th at 3 p.m. As you can see, there are 2 tutors available. Click on the tab at the time that you need to go to the meeting, and you will see that a Zoom meeting link pops up. Click on this link to join the Zoom meeting. You can join a Zoom meeting and work with a tutor from your computer or your phone. Once you've clicked on the tab and you are here, click on Open Zoom Meeting, and your tutoring session can begin. Tutors will be available to work with you Monday through Thursday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you didn't catch the code for the Google Classroom, it is OFPGQ6F. One more time, that's 0FPGQ6F. We hope to see you in the Math Learning Center soon.